Welcome to the Bisbee. So we are headed in, and right here you do have a walk-in pantry. We are also in the office of the builder, so there will be some strange things in some of the closets. This home is pretty open. You have this gas range. Again, quartz countertops. This bar is amazing. Opens right up to the family room. This is your grand foyer in, which is pretty nice. And as you can see, it's a pretty good sized family room. Couch is a great size. Doesn't feel squishy in here. Lots of natural light. Again, this is in the Goodyear community, super close to the freeway. This particular model, are you ready? $419,000. There are homes out here in Goodyear, brand new, can close before Christmas, under $450,000. Absolutely wild. So we have this family room, a laundry room. And yes, there is gas in the kitchen, but I'm noticing that a lot of the laundry is only electric. This looks like it's a split floor plan, meaning you have these secondary bedrooms away from the master. And this bed is a full-size bed, just so you can see size. I love how they went wild with their lighting. I mean, I would love to have a fancy light, but let's be real, I do like a ceiling fan at night. I can't even imagine not having the fan above me. Even though I'm freezing and I do have the heat on, I still like the heat. Spun down by the ceiling fan. So again, this is another great find. Move in before the holidays. Here we go. So this right here is another secondary bedroom. They have it decorated so cool. Always my favorite part is seeing the creativity the builders bring. Another good sized bedroom. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, under $450,000. And this would be your second bathroom. Oh boy, I left the toilet seat up. Hold on. Ugh, it's so gross. Okay, so this is your secondary bathroom. And again, we are in a new build. This is the model, but it's also the office to the community. We're gonna head this way. And again, believe it or not, this floor plan you are looking at is only 1,479 square feet. And we have this grand master bedroom back here. Let's take a minute and take everything in. There's a lot going on, but I don't hate it. So we have a large nightstand, king size bed, good size bureau right here. Cozy, cozy, cozy. So you have two of these massive nightstands. So this room is pretty large. I would say it's more of a rectangle shape, if that makes sense. And we have the stand-up shower, double sinks. Oh, this is cool. So in the throne room, there's enough room for shelves, which that's pretty cool. And this again is the primary, the master bedroom. And we are going to check out the closet space. Right, so it's a pretty good sized closet. It's a nice deep one. Panel doors, which are great. All right, so we're gonna head back out here. Again, we are in Goodyear, Arizona, close to Luke Air Force Base, pretty close to the freeways. So if you're looking for a home, trying to get something affordable before the holiday season, reach on out. I have all the info. And have an awesome day.